Hey everyone! In this video, we'll see how to easily export WooCommerce coupons using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Whether you need a backup, want to edit coupons in bulk, or move them to another website, this quick step-by-step guide will help you do it effortlessly. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your store has some existing coupons created. Here on my site, I have 31 coupons set up. Let's see how to export these quickly and efficiently. To begin the export process, in your WordPress dashboard, visit the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin menu. Next, click on the Export tab. This is where you'll be able to select the data you want to export from your WordPress site. Here, you can see a list of post types and custom post types supported by your site. Since we want to export WooCommerce coupons, go ahead and select WooCommerce coupons from the list. The plugin will instantly fetch your existing coupons, and you'll see the total number listed on the screen. Click Continue to move forward. Next up, Export Settings. Start by giving your export file a name, and choose your preferred format: CSV, Excel, XML, JSON, or TSV, whatever works best for your needs. Need to export only specific coupons? No problem. Enable advanced filters to customize your export. You can also export directly to Google Sheets. Your coupons will be sent straight to your linked Google account. If you only want to export data for a specific period, simply set your date range filter, and you're good to go. You can also choose to export only specific inclusions, such as coupon code, discount type, usage limits, etc., to focus on the data you need most. And if you want to schedule this export for a future time, just enable the Schedule Export option. Once everything's set, go ahead and click the Export button. The plugin will process your request and generate a file containing your WooCommerce coupons. You'll see a download link once the file is ready. Just click it, and the file will be downloaded to your computer. And that's how you easily export WooCommerce coupons using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.